Wow.
Hey, Mom.
Oh.
Awesome.
How wet did you get?
Not that wet.
A little bit.
I didn't get that wet.
Good.
I didn't get that. Me too. Mom, give me a video.
I'm videoing. Go.
Yeah. Which way do we go? Give me the water. No, I won't. What happened to this beast that I found in the water? Yikes! Yikes! Whoa! Ah! This beast must be killed!
You gonna make it?
I have to do it. We have to.
That's a good idea, and that one's probably easier to get to. That one's probably easier to get to.
Oh, it's slippy now, huh?